Hey.
What's wrong with you?
Oh, really sick. Yeah.
Shouldn't you be in school?
Yeah, but, really sick. I don't want to infect it.
You can't look sick.
Oh, I am. I'm very sick. Yeah, cold. Itchy throat.
Been there, done that.
What's wrong with you?
I got a rash.
A rash?
Yeah, rash. It's nasty. It's all in my stomach, on my legs.
Like, what kind of rash? Is it like contagious?
Well, everyone I've come in contact with seems to get it, so
Oh.
yeah, I think so, yeah. That's what I'm hearing.
Oh, yeah.
Good morning, James.
Yeah, that's me.
Good to see you.
Good
Come
to
on
see you
through.
too.
Good luck.
Yeah, you too.
G'day.
How are you?
Not well.
Not well? What's wrong with you?
Well, I've been checking on Google. I think I might have Ribole disease.
Ribole disease?
Ribole disease. You heard of it?
No, I've never heard of it. What is it?
It's terrible. Yeah, I mean, the symptoms seem to be what I've got.
Yeah.
Hot flushes,
Yeah.
racing heart,
Oh, it's no good.
yeah, and aches and pain.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's what I've got.
Good thing about his phone is Dr. Google can just tell you.
It's really good.
Yeah.
I tell Doc about it. He really appreciates me,
Yeah.
you know, pointing out things because he's really good. He
Yeah.
knows a lot of stuff. What about you?
I've got a rash.
Rash?
Up down my stomach, it's over my legs, it's on my fucking walls.
Oh, that's not very good.
That's itchy. It's
Yeah. Oh, how long you had that?
about a week now. Yeah.
That sounds bad.
Yeah.
Morning.
Hey, Doc. How are you?
Good day. First time here?
Yeah. Yeah.
Come through, mate.